Hi guys, well this is me trying to paint Powerpuff Girl Blossom for the first time ever. I don't even know who she is, to be fair. I didn't ever watch it. Maybe that's a bad thing, I don't know. But yeah, I've seen pictures of them. I don't know what their names are, have you? But Naio and Nails did this on their channel today, I believe it was, a tutorial on how to paint this blossom. So I'm starting off with this, and I'll kind of take little videos as I go along, and hopefully you can see a resemblance at least at the end. Then I'm going to keep practicing. So yeah, hope you enjoy watching me from start to finish with the Powerpuff Girl. Right guys, so here it is at the sort of halfway point, I think. I messed up the bow a little bit on her head, but considering it's my first time, I'm not going to beat myself up too much. I don't know what Blossom looks like, obviously, so I don't know if this is accurate or not. But I will back with the end result. Bye! Right guys, and there is the end Powerpuff Girl Blossom. Doesn't look anything like the one she did, to be fair, but for a first attempt it's okay. I'm going to be practicing all week, so hopefully this time next week I should be much better with it. But yeah, that's that. I do like these tutorials though, because you can pause them and start them, you know, you can go as slow or as fast as you want to go, so it's all good. That's that. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, hopefully I'll be showing you a much better Powerpuff Girl next time. Bye!